Hello guys, welcome to another exciting episode, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to design a ladies nightclub flyer in Pixellab. So as you can see, these are the resources we are going to be using for the design. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So I'm going to hide all the design resource over here. So we head over to the three dot icon over here. We go to image size. So we are going to maintain this image size, which is 1024 by 1280. Press OK. We're going to change the background color to this red color over here. So we're going to head over to the layer side. We unlock our background over here. We're going to go to relative size, then we increase so that it fits the screen. We head over to relative position to make sure it's in the middle. We lock our layer. Click on a plus icon, go for a shape. Then we head over to gradients. We're going to select any default gradient over here. Click on a plus icon. We select the second slider over here. Then we click on the color drop over there. We move the text slider to the last end so that we get a transparent color over here. We're going to adjust it a bit. We move it down to. After that, we press OK. Increase the size. Increase the size. Press the check mark. You head over to color. Then you're going to change the color to black. Okay, something like this is okay. We head over to our layer side and we lock our layer. We click and drag. We then click on a plus icon, go for a text. Click on edit. Ladies. Increase the size. We're going to change the font to this particular font over here. Okay. Let's hop over to line spacing. So we're going to close the line spacing a bit. Then we just increase the size. Yeah. Increase the size. Okay, so we're going to give it a shadow. Give it a red shadow over here. Okay, something like this is okay. We head over to image layer side and we unhide our image. Increase the size like this. Yeah. Increase the size like this. Then on the layer side, you click and drag under this one. Then we lock our image. Let's unhide this resource over here. Okay, so we unhide this one and we position it somewhere here. We unhide this one, we position somewhere. Sorry. That's why it's very necessary you lock every layer so that you don't move it by mistake. Okay, position it somewhere here. Click on a plus icon, go for a shape, increase the size. You're going to rotate it a bit somewhere here, position it here. Okay, you lock your layer. Click on a plus icon. Go for a test. Yeah, this is party, ladies nightclub party. Okay. Increase the size. We head over to fonts. We're gonna use autograph font for this particular one. Let's change the color to red. Yeah. Click on the plus icon, go for a shape. We're going to increase the radius so that we get a circle shape over here. We're going to change the color to red. Click on the plus icon, go for a test. I'm going to rotate this test like this. Position it somewhere here. You click on edit. So I have this test on my clipboard, which is drink responsibly. Let me position it somewhere here. So I'll head over to font, then I change this font. I'm going to use Montserrat for this particular font, particular text. Reduce the size. Okay, so we head over to spacing, then we space our text a bit. I will then make a duplicate of this text. I need to rotate it back to normal. Okay. Click on edit. Okay. Okay, so I'll click on this plus icon, go for a test again. Make sure I position it here. Click on edit. So I have this on my clipboard, the location for the program on my clipboard. I'll head over to font, and I'm going to change this font to Montserrat. I've aligned it to the center. Reduce the size. Then I will line spacing. Okay, something like this. Let me position this one over here. Let me unhide the location icon over here. So we position it. Let's lock this layer. So we're gonna make a duplicate. Of this text over here. I click on edit. So I have this text on my clipboard. So we're gonna change the text color to red. Make sure it's in the middle. We then make a duplicate again. Position it somewhere here. We change the color to white. And click on edit. Okay, so make sure place it in the middle. So let me unhide this particular resource over here. So I'll make a duplicate of it. I'll make another duplicate. Okay, so I'll click on this plus icon, go for a test. I'm going to change the color to black. Click on edit. 150 cedis. I'll head over to font. I'll change the font to this. Make a duplicate. Bring it down. Okay. $100, $50, $100. This is going for 150, yeah. 150 cedis. Okay. So I'll click on the plus icon, go for a test. Position it here. Change the color to black. I'm gonna change the font as well to Montserrat. Click on edit. We're gonna reduce the size. Yeah, you position it. Regular. Regular. VIP. And make another duplicate. Yeah, VVIP. Make a duplicate. Click on edit. It's huge, yeah. The city sign over here. Make a duplicate. Bring it down. Make a duplicate. Okay, so click on plus icon, go for a shape, reduce the edges or increase the radius so that the edges will be round. Enable your gray lines, position it here, move the other one to here. So you change the color to this red over here. You make a duplicate, then you click on edit, you move it down. You move it down over here. This time around, you change the color to white. Okay, you then click on the plus icon, go for another shape. This shape. So you change the color to red. You're gonna rotate this shape. Yeah, then you position it here. You lock your layers. Click on the plus icon, go for a test. Okay, so you change the font to use Montserrat bold for this one. So you head over to line spacing, then reduce the size a bit. Okay. You make a duplicate, and we're gonna change the color to red. Yeah. The time will be 2 p.m. Yeah. So yeah, click on the test plus I can go for a test. Okay, so head over to font. Now we're gonna change the font to reduce the size. Yeah. Give it a background. Going to give it a red background. Yeah. Click on the plus icon. Go for shape. Reduce the size. You're gonna change the color to red. Click on edit. Yeah. Use position it to all. Okay. Yeah.